So my parents are out of town for today and tomorrow, and I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to give me recipes for cooking because I don't know how to cook and I need to cook for my brother and me. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. It's day one, the morning. It's early in the morning. I had to get up early so I can make breakfast before we go to school. But today's the omelette, so yeah, I asked ChatGPT for a little clarity on the recipes. But yeah, we're gonna see how it goes. No. Crap. Okay, well. Alright, this one's mine. My brother can have the other good one. I think the heat's a little too high. I can fix that on the next one. Alright, I mean, this is just basically scrambled eggs. I don't know how you're supposed to get the egg to stay together. Maybe, I don't know if it's a recipe issue or a me issue, but day one breakfast. I don't know what to call it. The eggs just didn't stay together for some reason. I don't really know why. Okay, it's dinner for the first day. It's stuffed chicken breast. It sounds kind of hard, so my dog's barking at the movie. I need 2 chicken breasts. Okay, these are kind of huge. That's probably like 1 cup. That's okay. It'll just be spinach heavy. Yeah. This is my mom's, I think. I should buy this for myself. I think it fits me well. Comes the ricotta cheese. I'm not gonna lie, I bought these chicken breasts from Tom Thumb. They're not looking that great. Like, I don't think they're very high quality. But I'm sure it won't kill us. I'm sure it'll be alright. Like, I don't really know what this red spot is. It's probably fine. Okay, so we're gonna butterfly the chicken breast. Alright, so that's actually not happening. What is it called? Like a basting thing? I need to cover it. Okay, that was pretty good. So now we're gonna bake that for 25 to 35 minutes. 25 to 30 minutes. Okay. All right, I'll see you in 25 minutes. Okay, the timer went off. It says to bake it until the juice runs clear. And I think that means like when you press on it, it like clear stuff comes out instead of pink. And that looks pretty clear to me. Yeah, so let's take that out and put it on a plate. I will be the first to admit, it is not the most appetizing looking thing on the planet. But that, if you ask me, is much better than the first attempt. It's day 2 morning. Today's breakfast is Greek yogurt with like nuts and stuff. It's pretty quick and easy today. I couldn't actually find any normal honey, so I'm actually gonna use this Israeli honey we got in Israel. We haven't used it yet, so I'm assuming my mom doesn't really need it. Okay, today's day 2. I didn't realize that I wasn't gonna have to cook dinner tonight because my parents are already home. My mom's right behind the camera, but I'm not gonna show her. So I'm changing the servings for day 2 dinner to 4 people, and I'm still gonna cook pasta tonight. So, the first thing I need to do is cut 4 large chicken breasts into bite-sized pieces. I have my chicken breast cut into bite-sized pieces. It's a lot of chicken, but I don't know. 16 ounces of pasta. I feel like linguine. Oh, I do not feel like linguine. Okay, all right. Sorry, Italian people. Alright, I think that's thickening now. Add the chicken back to the skillet. Add the cooked pasta and toss everything together, ensuring the pasta is evenly coated in the sauce. Then I have to sprinkle this cheese into the mixture as I mix. Season with salt and pepper to taste, and then it's ready to serve. Okay, I'll get back to you when this is ready to serve. This is it. Much better than yesterday's.